Welcome back, or welcome if you're not subscribed yet. Today I'm going to be doing Coachella makeup. I think Coachella starts like this Friday or Saturday. I think it starts Saturday. I figured I would do a little Coachella makeup for you. I'm just gonna do my makeup as if I am getting ready to go to Coachella, which unfortunately I am not. Lots of colors, lots of glitter, very festival obviously because this is a music festival. I've already done my eyebrows and my base makeup, everything like that, concealer, foundation. I'm just gonna prime my eyelids. You know what, I just realized this palette is called Weekend Festival and this is festival makeup, so it's actually conveniently perfect, and it's also my favorite colorful palette that I have, and also like my most colorful one. So yeah, so I actually don't really have any idea what I'm gonna be doing. Last year when I did Coachella inspired makeup, I did an orange look, which I really liked, but I don't want to do an orange look again. Kind of thinking of going with like a pink look. What do you guys think? I think I should. You know what, let's just do pink, okay? I'm gonna get some light pink, cover my lids with that. And I did that pretty quickly, wow. Now we're gonna take the darker pink and put that in the outer corner, kind of fade it in. Okay, it looks bad right now, but we're gonna take this fluffier brush and blend. So I did the pink eyes obviously, and I'm also adding this gold color, this one under the eyes, because you know it's Coachella, we're extra like that. Now that we have done that, we're gonna add sparkle. Okay, so we're gonna take this sparkly pink in here and we're gonna add it in the inner corner. Sephora lashes. I really like these lashes actually. I was really surprised. I'm gonna pop on these lashes, then I'll come right back. We're back. The eyes are pretty much done for now. By the way, if you're wondering what I use for my eyebrows, this is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is in the shade 4. I usually use 3 or 4, but I also use the Anastasia pomade, but I'm running out of it. Like, I'm basically out, so I've been using this, but I still like this. So obviously we're gonna be adding glitter and stuff, but first we gotta do the face makeup. I'm gonna use this contour stick, which is actually foundation, but we're gonna be using it as contour as usual. I need a new beauty blender. This one's falling apart. So I still like to go over this with a powder sometimes, just to kind of like intensify the contour. Do the jawline as well. Now we're just gonna blend everything. I'm gonna use my Tarte one that I always use. Why I always seem to go back to this one. I only have 3 blushes that like I have that I use, or like to pick from, I guess, but I always go back to this one. It's either this one or Dandelion blush by Benefit, but this one, I know that you, I forgot I was recording. Oh, Rosie. I need a tissue. Okay, so we're gonna use this pink right here, but I also want to use like, okay, let's, some gold maybe? Okay, wait, oh, before we do the glitter, let's bronze. Forgot we gotta do lips too before we do glitter. We're gonna use this bright pink liner, line our lips. Okay, I I love pink makeup. Like, I just love it. Anyways, I have this pink. This one's a little wild. We're using this. I like this. I like this. Okay, that fell. To apply the glitter, what I've always done is use lip gloss, and I don't know where the lip gloss that I used to use. Actually, it's right here. I'm gonna try this one though, because the other one has glitter in it, and I want to try to use this and see if it'll work just as good. And I think I'm gonna put it like under the eyes, you know what I mean? So.
I hope this does not make a mess.
Okay, this is gonna take forever. Let's just use my finger. You know, I'm just gonna put the lip gloss where I want glitter, then get the glitter, like put it on there. And we're also gonna mix gold in there too, so don't forget that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on my face. I mean, this is cute, I guess, I think, right? I don't know. If I see my friends, they're gonna be like, why? Why do you have glitter on your face? It's for a video, sorry. Nice. I'm on TikTok like all the time now, so these songs get stuck in my head. Fill the room with the juice. That's a lot of loot. That big pie. And she kinda cute. Okay. Girl. I'm ready for Coachella, okay? Send me there. Buy me a ticket. Fly me out. I'm ready. I'm ready. And I'm a little offended that I wasn't invited, so. Yeah, I think I like how it turned out. I love pink makeup. Can I talk? I don't know. I really feel like pink is like one of my colors, which is cool because I love the color pink. I would definitely wear this look to Coachella, so. I hope you guys like this little tutorial get ready with me thing. And if you are going to Coachella and you're watching this, and if you want to wear this, you should. And if you do, show me. I want to see it, but no one probably will, but just in case. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Comment and let me know if you're going to Coachella or not. If you're not going though, okay, pretend that you were going. Like, who would you be most excited to see? You know what I mean? Like, Ariana Grande is gonna be there, so of course I'd be most excited to see her. And like, there's some other artists there, but I don't know the exact lineup, so yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to join the Cam Fam because we are almost to 2K, and that's insane. And I've been growing pretty fast recently, which is really weird because I've actually not been posting like that consistently, but I'm trying to fix that, sorry. But yeah, thank you. I just hit 1.9K, so that's really cool. So let's get to 2K. My goal, just FYI, my goal is 10K by the summer. Can we do it? Like, I don't know, at least by like July. I hope. But yeah, I just want to throw that out there. That's my big goal. But anyways, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys. I don't know why I sang that. Bye.